all of our supplies are ready. So let me give you kind of a quick synopsis of what I'm doing. We just came back from the store. We got all our stuff together. So I'm gonna take these cute little jars, right? Put some stickers on them. They're gonna be for certain people, so I'm going to put their initials on there. And then I'm gonna fill that up with this filler here, this decorative filler. And I might, because I have a couple different colors. So I've got this right here, all right? I've also got like a blue, it's very pretty. I really like the blue. And then I also have kind of like a pale purple. It's very cute too. So these type of gifts, you can use these for favors, for weddings, for baby showers, for little gifts, anything that you want. And it's quick, easy, and it's fairly cheap to do, but it looks really, really nice. So I'm going to freestyle this. I haven't fully figured out what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna figure it out, right? And then I also purchased these thank you cards. I thought these are really cute. So basically I'm gonna put the thank you cards, you know, on their desk with the cute little vase with the filler and kind of decorated for them as just a little thank you gift. And so this in particular I'm doing for Administrative Professionals Day. But again, this can be done for any type of event, special occasion, you know, because you can make a lot of them at the same time. And it's a fun little thing to do too, and it's very easy and it's not expensive. All right, let's get started. Turn this right side up. Got this little funnel. And let's start. So, I don't know if I should put, so you see this gold color first. Yeah, let's do gold first. Okay, I think I got a little too much, but if you can see, isn't that cute? So cute. All right. So now we're gonna fit. Okay, you can't tell me that's not cute. Look at it. So cute. Just like that. And of course, it'll sit on the desk like that. It's got some weight to it too. All right, let's do the others.